Hey, what's up, guys? So I just wanted to show y'all the truck before we put it back together. Full IHC kit. He's gonna get a 5-inch drop in the back and a 7 in the rear. We haven't done the rear yet. He's gonna go ahead and do the underbed notch also. I just want to show you guys the lower control arm, the upper control arms, that good ball joint angle. One thing I did want to go over with you guys is the little stabilizer link. I always have people hit me up, hey, is it supposed to look like that, you know, a little bit slanted off to the side or whatever. I'm like, yeah, bro, that's perfectly fine. You see how it sits at a little angle or something? That's perfectly fine. So yeah, the front of this truck is pretty much done. Sunday, I didn't really get like a chance to record, but we're actually working on another single cab. We finished it up on good time and everything. The only problem was he's running Fox coilovers in the front, and I didn't have the spring compressor to compress the spring to take the preload off the spring and then adjust it to set it back at 0, because that thing, you could have it at stock height, lift it an inch, 2 or 3 inches or whatever. So yeah, this is it right here. So I went ahead and ordered the AC Delco struts. Found him some stock springs and gonna get him that new strut mount. You can see in there, it's a whole Fox coilover. Pretty nice truck. Sits badass on 24s. If you guys are wondering the size of the tire, it's a 295 30/24. And then over here we got this 9906 that we're gonna fix. Big ass drop in the bag, you know, we're just gonna set it at a 6. And in the front we're gonna redo the coilovers. I think he has cut springs or something, but we're replacing the coils or springs, whatever you want to call it, and we're doing control arms. And also we're gonna do the inner and outer tie rods. So on these, if you're doing 17s, do the Moog inners, the Moog outers, and you can get away with the Master Pro inner tie rods. And then just go ahead and do the bellows if they're all torn up. We're also doing new stock shackles. Dorman sells these if you guys ever need stock shackles. And then these are the bellows. So yeah, we're doing that one too. And then yesterday, what I was messing with, this one right here is this homeboy's truck from Dallas. Finished up the notch and everything. So this is a notch from Twisted Metalworks out in California. And it has a little tube and everything for the shock relocation brackets and all that. So now I just gotta move all the brake lines out of the way, the emergency brake, get all that shit out of the way, clean it up, and just start welding the new mounts on it. On these, yeah, you kind of do have to get the exhaust out of the way, so just went ahead and cut it all off and shit. But also, I'm waiting on a body mount because I think he hit something on the freeway. Where is it at? This guy right here. He hit something on the freeway. I think a hitch or something. So we fucked that up. We went ahead and got the new piece, and it's coming in the mail. Should be receiving it tomorrow or something. But yeah, pretty cool notch. You know, totally different from the other ones that we do. You know, the whole piece gets cut out, and these are like the ones we do. So yeah, totally different. And I just want to show you guys the rest of the stuff. So you got these right here. These go welded to the diff, boom boom, kind of side to side, and then these guys fit in there, whatever. And show you the guys the shocks. We went with the Viking shocks. These bad boys right here. I don't know if you guys are familiar with these. These are pretty nice. I want to try these on my truck. And if you guys need the part number, it's part number D201 DDXX. So yeah, if you guys need those are there. But yeah, pretty excited to finish that one up. We got a bunch of single cabs here. Probably gonna finish that one tomorrow or whenever the piece gets here. That one has to leave today or tomorrow. So I mean, what I'm about to do is not gonna take that long. Just basically building a new strut, put it back in there, take it a little bit of line. This one probably leaves tomorrow though, because I still gotta do the back and do the underbed notch. And that's like another 6-8 hours of work, plus doing the flip kit. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go to lunch. I just want to show you guys what we had going on. Like I said, I didn't really get a chance to record yesterday or Sunday. We're extremely busy. But yeah, that's all the shit we got going on today. And then we got a couple more trucks coming in this week, so it's starting to get a little busy, you know, I guess because of the whole October Madness show. But yeah, we're just showing you guys underbed notches, custom notches, factory relocation shit that we got going on today. All right, so I just got back from lunch, got done with talking to some potential customers and future customers. I went to AutoZone and picked these bad boys up. These are the real deal AC Delco struts. The part number, let me see if I can focus it on there. What is up with my camera? Well, I don't know what's wrong. I don't know. The part number is 23106628. We got two of them. The only problem is there is no strut mounts. So, yeah, we're gonna have to use the other ones from the ones that we got. So, in order for this to work, you know, this is just like one of those circumstances that the truck came with Fox coilovers, which is rare. This is like the first time that ever happens. Keep in mind, if I was to adjust those coilovers back to the stock setting, like, it would work. That thing would work, you know, because it would be at 0. So, homeboy Manny brought me some stock struts. So we're gonna use everything but the strut. So the stock spring and the strut mount. And then we're not gonna use the little plastic thing. So yeah, I'm just gonna take the truck apart, jack it up, put it on jack stands, take the wheels off, and you know, I think really the only thing I have to do is tie rod and the upper ball joint, loosen it up. That way I could slip out the strut, and that'll be it. Put this bad boy back on, and then take it to go get a line in the morning, and it should be ready to go tomorrow. And then boom, this guy over here. I'm gonna finish that bad boy up probably tonight, and then that one I'll probably finish that one up tomorrow. Literally all I have to do is like I said, those shock mounts, I just have to mock everything up, put the actual shocks on there right here, the bolts, clean up the dick, move all the lines, should be ready to go too. And then we can focus on the step side that's over there. But that's pretty much it. And then Thursday we got another truck similar to the step side, but it's a 4-door. He just literally left right now. We're gonna go ahead and change out inner outer tie rods and put new springs because he has cut springs on there, and also upper and lower control arms from the Inez kits. Let me see how many I got left. I know I sold one the other day. So I have those, I only got 3 of them left. So after those 2 trucks, I'm only gonna have 1 left, and then I'll have all these other ones. And then look, I got this cool thing from the Beatles the other day. Got it for like $5. And I got that lamp too, and a red chair. But yeah, let me finish this shit up, and I'll show you guys the difference between the stock strut and the 3-inch coilover Fox thingy-majiggies or whatever. Alright guys, so I just want to show you where I put the wheels back on. Bam! Brand new strut. AC Delco. New control arms, everything. Put the wheels on, see where it sits. Same thing on this side, put everything back together. Let's go. Hey guys, what's up? So this morning I got all this shit mocked up, tabs and the other stuff. So it's pretty much ready to paint. I'm just gonna paint everything, start putting the shocks back on, and then adjust the settings, cut the little cross member on the bed, slap the bed back on, put the wheels on, and this one's ready to go. And then let me see. The door open. Yep. I'll show you guys the single cab. We got back from the alignment shop, so he's ready to go home soon. See, so that's how the truck's supposed to sit with the 24s on it right here. Bam. This looks fucking sick. So they're picking this one up tonight. So you're gonna finish that other single cab and then finish with the white one tonight. That way I can focus on the step side tomorrow and then beat the hurricane that's coming. Alright, so I literally just got done with the white truck. We're gonna drive over to Stripes and take some pictures and then call a customer, tell him he can come pick up his truck. He did go with those big ass 275 55/20 tires, so the front's gonna rub a little bit and he still needs the alignment, but other than that the truck's fine. He went ahead and did a 5.7 and then we did the underbed notch. Y'all can look at the pictures on Instagram. I didn't really get to film this one too much, but man, she came out really good. You're gonna see it right now. Oh man, it's been a long ass day. It's fucking hot. Alright, so there you go. RHC 5.7. Custom underbed notch, so it doesn't bottom out.